Hello, my name is Falko Dressler. I'm Czech Professor for Telecommunication Systems at TU Berlin. I joined TU Berlin and here the School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science in March 2020. And so I'm here since 1.5 years now, and I really enjoy the place where I can follow my research and teaching activities. I do research in the field of telecommunication networks, which is quite a broad field. So it ranges, of course, it covers all this 5G, 6G networks, Wi-Fi. We try to make wireless networks more energy efficient, faster, of course, but in the end, more resilient. So to make them available, whatever happens in critical situations, in dynamic situations. So we apply our research, for example, in the field of vehicular networks, where cars communicate with each other for safety, for improved safety situations. We try to integrate so-called vulnerable road users, so pedestrians, bicyclists, into the picture, so that they can also exchange information with the cars, trying to avoid fatalities and accidents in general on the road. From a research perspective, we have a broad spectrum of methods actually. So we very recently work on what is being called cross-technology communications. So making a Wi-Fi access point talk to a 5G base station or to a narrowband IoT sensor node without adding new network interfaces. This is very fancy, and similar technologies can also be used for combining sensing and communications. Sensing, for example, for doing ranging using wireless communications. So we have a recent project on avalanche monitoring, where we try to learn more about the internal behavior of the avalanches while they are going down, and we use wireless communications to see how fast parts of this avalanche are moving. In teaching, I love teaching. So I really enjoy seeing really creative new young students, helping them to find their way in life. So we follow the classical Humboldtian approach, right? Combining research and teaching. So I try to get some of our research projects into the classroom, try to involve some students in our projects. But I also love to do the basic fundamental courses in the bachelor, where we just see how students who just come with a high school degree finding their way into university and finding their way through their academic life. I got engaged in the German local society called KuVS, so Communication Distributed Systems, very early. And I saw that as a very powerful instrument to get networked with other researchers in the local community here. And this is actually very important. Yeah? So if you want to pursue an academic career in our German speaking environment, you need to know the community. So after getting engaged, so I contributed particularly to the support of younger people in our community by organizing summer schools and others. Meanwhile, I'm since 5 years now spokesperson, so head of the society, and I try to put all my effort into getting people connected, so that we can discuss innovative ideas, strategies for research activities in the future, and of course, my main priority is still getting younger folks involved in the community, so that they get networked early and find the right ways to pursue their own careers. So why university? This is a question I have been asked many, many times. For me, the decision was very easy. So this is a place where I can yeah, I can follow my own dreams, do research, work with young, talented people, see these talents growing up. I can support them in their future career. I can get engaged and network with researchers all over the globe, working on fancy ideas. Sometimes people think it's crazy ideas, but in many cases we succeeded, which is good. So we can show the public that we do something meaningful, and this is why I love being here, and I enjoy it.